underhooks, Beth. There you go. Fill the wrist, pull her in.
Slide out, slide away from her leg.
Throw your right leg over, Beth.
Keep sliding away.
Keep your elbows in, Beth.
Throw your right leg.
You got it, Elena. Keep working. Heavy on her, heavy.
Clasp your hands together. Take her the other way, Beth. On your left side, Beth. Bump and get on your left side. Head's free, bump, Beth. Again. Get on your left side.
There you go.
Nice, Beth. Nice. Hold that leg in.
Shrimp out again, Beth.
There you go, Elaine.
Hold it 3 seconds.
She's up on points, Beth.
There we go, Elena.
Start swimming left hand underhook.
Control one arm and one leg, same side.
Control it, you're going to go. Go up on that hand. Go up on that hand. Yes. Strong face away.
I'm breathing, Beth.
Shrimp again, Beth.
You got it.
Bump your hips up. She's down on
Fuck
your
her.
hips. Bump, Beth. Again.
Fuck her. Come on, you got it.
Frame up and bump.
Fucking roll.
She's looking to attack your...
There you go. There you go.
Face out.
Oh.
Keep turning into her, Beth.
Take her back. Climb. Climb.
There you go.
Off your head.
Ooh.
Step out, climb.
Stack her
Roll,
up.
watch your base, go.
Leg over.
Get your bicep, Beth.
Lean to your left.
Use your left shoulder to pop her ankle off your head. Stack her up. Come up on your knees, Beth.
Now, squeeze the knee.
Coming up, Beth.
Coming up.
There we go.